Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel RD Excel. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of Microsoft Excel and exploring some of the most commonly used average formulas. Whether you are a beginner or an Excel pro, understanding these formulas is essential for effective data analysis. So, let's get started. Average. Excel provides several average formulas to help you analyze and summarize your data. The most basic one is the average function. This function calculates the average of a range of numbers. You can use it for a column, row, or a specific range within your spreadsheet. To use this average function, simply select the cell where you want to get average of the cell's range. Apply the formula is equal to average, hit tab button, select the range, close the bracket and hit enter. Excel will then calculate and display the average of the selected numbers. Drag the formula like this. AverageIF. Now let's explore the AverageIF function. This formula allows you to calculate the average based on a specified condition. If you want to find the average of numbers that meet a certain criterion, the AverageIF function is your go-to tool. Here we have the sales data. If you want to get region-wise average sales, apply the formula is equal to AverageIF, hit tab button, range. In our example, the range is comma, criteria is East, and average range is close the bracket and hit enter. Excel will then calculate and display the average of the region-wise cells. Let's look at the other examples. AverageIFS. For more complex scenarios, there is the AverageIFS function. This formula allows you to average values based on multiple conditions. It works similarly to AverageIF, but can handle multiple criteria at once. If you want to get the region-wise and category-wise cells from the data, apply the formula is equal to AverageIFS, hit tab button, average range. In our example, the average range is comma, criteria range 1 is comma, criteria 1 is central, comma, criteria range 2 is comma, criteria 2 is food. Close the bracket and hit enter. That's it. Here is the result. If you change the region or a category, you will get the different result. Look at the example, AverageA. The AverageA function in Excel is designed to calculate the average of a range that includes both numbers and text. Yes, you heard it right, text. This makes it really versatile for those situations where your data might not be strictly numerical. Imagine you have a column or row with a mix of numbers and text. AverageA considers numbers for calculation and treats text as 0. So, it gives you the average of all the numerical values, including the interpreted zeros for text. Let's take a look at a quick example. Here we have a range with a mix of numbers and text. Apply the formula is equal to AverageA. Hit tab button, select the range, close the bracket and hit enter. And there you have it, my friends. Excel has calculated the average considering the numbers and treating text as zeros. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.